Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel, Sholapur. I, Nikita teacher, teaching you social studies for grade 3. Yes children, tell me what we have learned in the previous session? Yes, we have revised lesson number 3, that is peoples in our life. And what we have done in the last session? Yes, we have solved some question answers, some animation, presentation and interactive task we have done in the last session. Children, today what we are going to do? We are going to revise again lesson number 3, peoples in our life. What we are going to do today? We are going to solve textbook exercise and we are going to see some enrichment activity. Yes children, and what we have learned in this lesson? Who are the people who helps really a lot and without them our life is very difficult? Can you tell me? Who are those people who really help us a lot in our day-to-day life? Yes, what teacher has taught you in this lesson? Who is helping us? Yes, our teacher. What teacher play an important role in our life because she teaches us to read and write and she gives us a knowledge. And she gives us a knowledge, and on the occasion of 5th September, on 5th September, what we are celebrating? Teachers Day, to respect our teachers and give them a best wishes. Okay, and the next what we have learned about doctors. Why doctors is also important to us? Because when we are ill we visit to doctor, and whenever we are not means feeling well, too much we are not well, that time doctor advises to go to hospital. In the same way we have learned about policemen. Even policemen help us a lot. When our things are lost, anything happen, a missing person, the policeman do their duty, and we have to follow the rules of policemen. Okay, and next what we have learned about postal worker. What postal worker do? They deliver the letter to us, and when the postman visit to our house. Okay children, then what you are going to do? We are going to solve today textbook exercise. Okay, then what you are going to do? You are going to take your Canopy textbook, that is Term 2 Canopy textbook, and you are going to take out page number 1717. Okay children, and what you are required for that? You have to take your pencil and eraser in your hand while solving textbook exercise. Okay, are you ready with solving exercise? Okay, let's see the textbook exercise. Yes children, what we are going to do in this? We are going to see a question: to whom will the following go for the help? Now we are going to write who is helping us. Okay, where we go for help. Kunika wants to get uniform stitched. If she want to get uniform stitched, where she will go? Yes, when you want to stitch a dress, that time where you will go? Yes children, give me the answer. Who will help you? Yes, who is stitching the cloth? Yes, correct. Tailor. What is the spelling of tailor children? T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. Okay? T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. Okay children? Number 2 is what? The tap in John's bathroom is leaking. When you are having a problem regarding leaking in the bathroom, okay, in kitchen, that time whenever we require for this, who will help us? Yes children? Yeah, correct. Plumber. Who? Plumber. P-L-U-M-B-E-R. Plumber. Number 3, Apolka has suffered a serious burn. What? She has got a serious burn. Then where she will go? Yes children, where she will go? She has suffered from a serious burn. Where she will go? Okay children, tell me the answer. Yes, correct. Doctor. What is the spelling of doctor? D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. doctor. Next question. Ali's car has broken down. Now what happened? Due to some accident, her car has broken down. Then where he will go? Yes, he will go to, where he will go? Yes, he will go to car mechanic. Where he will go? Car mechanic. What is the spelling of car? C-A-R, car. M-E-C-H-N-A-I-C, mechanic. Where he will go? Mechanic. Sorry, spelling is wrong. M-E-C-H-A-N-I-C, mechanic. Car mechanic. What is the spelling of mechanic? M-E-C-H-A-N-I-C, mechanic. Car mechanic. Okay. Next question is what? Gurpreet needs to get her shoe repaired. Suppose he want to repair her shoes. Where he will go? Yes. Yes, correct. He will go to cobbler. What is the spelling of cobbler? C-O-B-B-L-E-R, cobbler. Understood, children? Okay, let us revise once again. Konika wants to get her uniform stitched. She will go to tailor. The tap in John's bathroom is leaking. Where he will go? To plumber. Apolka has suffered a serious burn. Where she will go? Doctor. Ali's car has broken down. Where he will go? Car mechanic. Gurpreet needs to get her shoe repaired. Where he will go? To the cobbler. Understood, children? Have you wrote this answer in your book? Okay. Now let's see the next question. What is the next question? Write T for true and F for false sentence. Okay. You can write a complete spelling of true, or you can write here till that time in short but T. But in exam you are not supposed to write only T. You have to write the full spelling. Okay. Now number 1. Big towns and cities have only one post office. Now tell me, children, in big towns you can find only one post office? No. Why? Big towns is having one or more than post office. Then what will be the answer, children? It is true or false? Yes, correct. What is the answer? False. Right here, false. Understood? What will be the correct answer? False. Because big towns are having one or more post office. Now, number 2 is what? A mobile dispensaries move from village to village. Yes, children, come on, give me the answer. Yes. Come on. Very good. Yes, the correct answer is what? True. Yes, because mobile dispensary moves from one village to another village. Okay. Next question is what? A doctor for animals is called vet. Now tell me, we are having also doctor in the same way. Animals are also having a doctor when they are not well. That's why the doctor for animals is called a vet. Is it true or false, children? Give me the answer. Yes, correct. The answer is what? True. Very good. Now next one is what? Postal workers helps to find missing people. Is the postal workers they find a missing people? Yes, children, give me the answer. Who help us to find a missing people? Postal worker. Is it true or false? Yes, come on, give me the answer. Oh, correct. What will be the answer? False. Why it is false? Because, tell me, children, why it is false? Yes, because postal worker delivers a letter to us. But who finds the missing people? Policeman. Correct. Now next question is what? Our teachers teaches us to read and write. Yes, come on, tell me the answer, children. Our teacher teaches us to read and write. Come on, yes, give me the answer. Okay, correct. What is the answer? True. Very good, children. Yes, our teacher teaches us to read and write. Understood? Let us revise once again, children. Big towns and cities have only one post office. What will be the answer? False. Number 2, a mobile dispensary moves from village to village. What will be the answer, children? True. A doctor for animals is called a vet. What will be the answer? True. Number 4, postal worker helps to find missing people. Yes, what will be the answer? False. Why it is false? Because policemen help us to find missing people. Number 5, our teachers teaches us to read and write. What is the correct answer? True. Done, children? Have you done with this question? Okay, we will see the next question. Number D. Answer the following. Okay, children? Answer the following question. Now you are going to give the answer the following question. Okay, children, number 1 is what? When do we go to a doctor? Yes, come on, children, give me the answer. When you go to doctor? Yes, come on. Yes, when we go to doctor, we go to doctor when we are sick. When we go to doctor, when we are sick. Now tell me, come on children, next question, answer me the next question. What does the traffic police do? Yes children, what does the traffic police do? On road you can see which policeman? Traffic policeman. What he was doing on the road? Come on, tell me. Yes, the traffic police regulates the traffic. He follows the rules of traffic. Next question is what, children? What is the duty of postal worker? Come on, tell me, what is the duty of postal worker? What duty they are doing? Yes, come on, give me the answer, children. Yes, the postal workers delivers letters, postcard, money order and telegram. Yes, children, understood? Now, come on, we will see the next question, that is number 4. Describe the journey of a letter in your own words. Now children, what you are going to write this answer? In your own words you are going to write. How was your journey while writing the letter? Yes, the answers will be different. Okay, let's see. Then for example, I will tell you what will be the answer like this. A letter is first posted in the post office post box. The postal workers clears the post box and takes it to post office, where it is sorted according to the address. They are sent to post office of particular place, of that place. The postal workers in the post office deliver the letters. Yes children, what will be their journeys? They first post the letter in the post office. Yes. Next what will they do? They collect. They clears all the letters and they sorted according to the address. And then what they will do? They will send those letters to the particular office. And what they will do? Those posts they will deliver at a correct place. Okay children, understood? Now next we will see the next question, that is multiple choice question. Now number 1. In India, Teachers' Day celebrated the birthday of A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. APJ Abdul Kalam, or C. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna. Yes, what will be the correct answer? When we celebrate Teachers' Day on the birthday, celebrates the birthday of? Yes, correct answer. Come on children, very good. What will be the correct answer? C, that is Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna. Yes, because in India we celebrate Teachers' Day, the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna. Now number 2, after collecting the letters from the letter box, the postal workers A1 delivers the letter to the people, or B takes the letter to the post office, or C takes the letter to the railway station. What will be the correct answer children? Yes, come on, give me the correct answer. Yes, what will be the answer? Takes the letter to the post office. What is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is B. Tick to B option. Okay. Number 3. People who control traffic are called traffic police, signal or vet. What will be the correct option? A, B or C? Come on, give me the answer, children. Yes, correct. Very good, children. Answer is A. Next question. A doctor who treats sick and injured animals is a A1 veterinary doctor, B dentist or C pediatrician. Okay, tell me what will be the answer? Yes, correct, children. Veterinary doctor. Even we can say them as a vet doctor also. Okay, children, understood? Done with this question? Okay. Now, shall we forward to the next question? Okay, children. Let's see the next question. That is HOTS, horse. You have to think and give the answer. Number 1. Suppose there was no police in your town or city. What difficult would you face? Yes, children. What they have asked you, you have to think and give the answer. That if there was no police in your town or a city, then what difficult you might have faced? Yes, come on, give me the answer, children. Think and answer the question. Yes, correct. There would be no law and order in the place. Okay, there will be many cases of robbery and theft. Okay, people would not able to live in peace. Yes, that's why it's play an important role. That's why policeman is necessary to. Why it is necessary? To maintain the law and order. Now next question we will see, children. Name some other people who help you in your daily life other than those mentioned in the lesson. Yes, already we have discussed 4, the people who really help us, and rather than that you have not mentioned in this lesson, you can tell about them also. Yes, okay, the answers will be different. Okay, children, for example, the answers might be like this. The tailor stitches our clothes because tailor help us to stitch our dresses. Just like the milkman delivers the milk every day. From where we get milk? From milkman. From who delivers the milk? Yes, of course, milkman. Yes, children, who delivers the letter? Postman. But postman, where does he work? Yes, in post office. Then what will be the answer? Post office. Write the spelling of post office here. P-O-S-T, post, O-F-F-I-C-E. That is post office. Done, children? Okay, next question across we will solve. A policeman works here. Where does the policeman work, children? Yes, where does policeman work? Yes, correct. At police station. What is the spelling of police? P-O-L-I-C-E, police. And station, S-T-A-T-I-O-N, police station. Okay, children? Now let's see down puzzle. Okay, a teacher work here. Where does teacher work? Yes, children, where does teacher work? Where you go to school? Where you go in the morning? Who teaches you? Where the teacher teaches you? Yes, correct. Teacher teaches you in school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Correct. Done, children? Okay. Let's see the next, number 4. A doctor works here. Where does the doctor work? Where does the doctor work, children? Yes, correct answer is what? Hospital. Write the spelling of hospital. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L, hospital. Understood, children? Done with this question? Okay, first one is what? A postal workers work here. That is post office. A policeman work here. That will be the police station. A teacher works here. School. A doctor works here. Hospital. Done, children? Shall we go to the next question? Shall we go? Okay. Now next question we will see, children, that is speak out. Tell your class about any person who has played an important role in your life. It could be a teacher, your parents, your grandparents, your doctor or your game coach. What you are going to do? You are going to speak out for 1 or 2 minutes and you can make a video of that. Yes, the people who has played an important role in your life. Okay children, you can make a 1 or 2 minute video and you can talk about them. For example, it could be a teacher, parents, grandparents or your doctors or your game coach. Okay children, next question we will see. Write. Okay children, write. Imagine a day when no one helped you. You have to imagine a day that no one was helped you. Write a paragraph describing the problems you faced. You have to write a paragraph and you are going to describe your problems that you have faced and how you tried to solve them. Means you are going to write one paragraph, what problem you have faced and how you have tried to solve your own problem that time. Okay children, you are going to imagine that day that no one has helped you. Okay, no one was helped you and you have to write a paragraph and describe your problems and how you have tried to solve your problems. Okay, now next is what? Project. Collect pictures of the different people who help us. What you are going to do children? Collect picture of the different people who help us. As we have seen, doctor, teachers, postman, cobbler or tailor, they are the people, different peoples, firefighters, they are the peoples who help us. And what you are going to do? You are going to stick them in your scrapbook. Those pictures you are going to stick in your scrapbook. Below each, write a sentence or 2 about how they help you. You have to write, you have to stick the picture, you have to paste the picture in your scrapbook. The different people who helps you and you are going to write 1 or 2 word sentence about them. Okay children? Understood? You can write for example teacher. What teacher helps you? Yes, teacher helps us to read and write. She gives us a knowledge. Okay? For example, you can write about doctors, even you can write about firefighters, tailor, plumber or postal worker, policeman. You can write in your scrapbook and you have to collect the different people's, collects the picture of different people who helps us. Okay. Next is what? Artwork. Draw and color the picture of a postal worker. What you are going to do? You are going to draw and color the picture of postal worker, a doctor or a teacher. Anyone you can draw the picture and you are going to color that thing. Okay. Number 1. Next is role play. Without speaking, try to enact the role of postal worker or a policeman or any other helper. What you are going to do? You are going to play a role play at home. You are going to play a role play because we are not coming to school. Yes, that's why we have to do this role play activity at home only. And you are going to try to enact the role of postal worker or policeman or other helpers, whichever you like to play the role of which helper you like to play the role, you can play and ask your classmate to guess who you are. But now already we are not coming to school, you can ask to your brother, sister, mama, papa and you can tell them to try to find out what role you are playing. Okay children, understood? Next one we will see hands on. Okay. Getting to know the people who help us. Form group of 3 or 4. You have to form a group of 3 or 4. This activity we can't do. Each group can spend time interviewing one of them, the school watchman, the school cleaner, the school bus driver or the local doctor. Police or postal worker, you can ask them question like what is your name, what are the timings of your duty, what kind of work do you do and what do you like about your work, note down the replies, share your findings with your classmate. This thing also you can do when our school will start, and you can ask the question to your school watchman or school cleaner or school bus driver or a local doctor. If you are visiting, you are having a family doctor or policeman or postal worker, you have to ask them the question like, what is your name, what are the timings of your duty, what kind of work do you do, and what do you like about your work, and you are going to note down those replies and you are going to share with your classmate. Okay children, understood? Next, see about life skill and values. Okay children, appreciating the people who help us. Now what you are going to do? You are going to make a list of the people who help you in school and at home. You are going to make a list of people who help you in school and at home, and make thank you card for each of them. What you are going to do? You are going to make a thank you card, and you are going to make a list of, first you are going to make a list of people who help you at school and at home. Okay, then what you are going to do? You are going to make a thank you card, and for each of them. And what you are going to do? How many cards you want to prepare? Thank you, those who you want to appreciate those people, you can make a thank you card. First, for that, what is necessary? You are going to make a list of people. Okay. Now next is what? Being aware. Find out the names of hospitals in your neighborhood. Write down their numbers in the telephone book. What you are going to do? You are going to find out the names of hospital in your neighborhood and write down their numbers in the telephone book. Okay. Maintain a diary with the telephone numbers of your local police station, hospital, doctor, fire station, post office, ambulance service. What you are going to make a book, or you are going to maintain a diary with the telephone numbers of home, of your local police station, hospitals, doctor, fire station, post office and ambulance service. Yes children, understood what we have done? Okay. What you are going to do? We are going to read this lesson once again with me. Okay children? Shall we read this lesson? Okay. Now turn your page. Sorry. Take the page number. Take out page number what? Page number 14. What you are going to take out? Page number 14. Okay children? Now lesson number 3, let's start reading. People in our lives. In this lesson you will learn about people who help us like teachers, doctors, police, postal worker. Okay children, already we have learned these things. These many people who really help us. There are some people who play an important role in our lives. Without the help of these people, life would be really difficult. Yes children. Next is what? Our teachers. You have to put your finger while reading, okay? After your parents, it is our teachers who are very important to us. They teach us how to read and write, to paint, sing and dance. They also teach us good habits, manners and values. Teachers take us on trips, picnics and nature walk, where we learn through fun. No wonder we celebrate 5th September as Teachers' Day every year to show our love and respect for our teachers. The doctor. We go to a doctor when we are ill. We have fever or any other illness. Our doctor prescribes medicines and tells us what to eat and how long to rest. We also go to doctor for vaccination against some diseases like polio, typhoid and cholera. When we are very ill, our doctor advises us to go to hospital. Our doctors and nurses working there look after us. Every city has one or more hospitals. Many villages have dispensaries or clinics to treat sick people. Turn the page, next page. Where there are no dispensaries, the government send mobile dispensaries. A mobile dispensary is a van with a doctor, nurse and some medicines. The van goes from village to village treating the sick people. An animal doctor is called a veterinary doctor or a vet. In short, this doctor treats sick and injured animals. The police. The most important duty of the police is to maintain law and order. They help to catch people who do not follow the laws. They also help to protect our life and property. You must have seen a police post or a police station in your neighborhood. It is from here that police work. Whenever we have a problem, we can call the police station for help. In big cities, mobile police vans patrol all the time. We can seek help from them. These vans also attend to the accidents on the road. The police help to find the people who have gone missing. At traffic crossing, you will find the traffic police on duty. These special policemen and policewomen control traffic on busy road. They help the traffic to move smoothly so that there are no traffic jams or accidents. We must respect the traffic police and follow their instruction. Turn the page, take out page number 16. Next is postal worker. We read in an earlier lesson that we can send and receive message through the postal service. But how does it all happen? The main link between the post office and us is the postal worker. The postal worker collects letters from the post boxes and takes them to the local post office. Here, all the letters are sorted out according to their addresses. They are then sent to the post offices in those places. The postal workers in those post offices deliver this letter. They also deliver parcels and money orders. In villages, there may be just one postal worker. Big towns and cities have many post offices with many postal workers. Each postal worker delivered in a fixed area. Heat, cold, rain, nothing stop the postal workers from doing their duties. So the next time you see a postal worker, greet her or him with a smile. I now know. First one, teaches us to read, write and do many other things. Second, doctors look after our health. Number 3, the policeman protects our life and property. Number 4, the postal worker delivers letters, postcard and money orders. Yes children, now what we have already done with this lesson? We have completed this lesson number 3. What we have learned in this lesson? We have learned people in our life who plays an important role. Here we have completed this lesson, and in the next session what we are going to do? We are going to see with the new lesson, that is lesson number 4. Until that time I will give you a homework. What you are going to do? You are going to open your Canopy textbook. Once again you are going to read this lesson number 3, and you are going to see, you are going to read, you are going to see exercise what we have solved. You are going to read those exercises once again. Yes, and whenever Google Meet will there, that time I will ask you the questions or to read the textbook. Till that time, bye bye, see you, take care and thank you children.